Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram highlights. There could be several reasons you would want to delete highlights on Instagram, including updating your content, rebranding, and reducing clutter. If you're ready to delete an Instagram highlights, it's easy. Open up the Instagram app and head to your profile page. Scroll to the highlights section, just below your profile description but above your photo grid. Click on the highlights you want to delete. While viewing the highlight, look for the three-dot menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. Open it and click on the option menu. In the menu, you'll see several options. Click on delete highlights or remove highlights to remove the entire highlights from your profile. Confirm your choice when prompted to, and the highlight should be permanently deleted. If you only want to remove specific stories from a highlight and not the entire thing, you can choose Edit Highlight from the same menu. This is where you'll be able to unselect any stories you no longer want included in the highlight. After tapping Edit Highlights, you can also drag them to rearrange the order of the stories in your highlights. This is useful if there have been changes to the story you're telling, or you just want to showcase your content differently. Then, rename and redesign. To sum it up, Instagram highlights are an excellent tool for extending the life of your stories and strengthening the message of your profile. It's important to keep your highlights organized and relevant to maintaining a polished and engaging Instagram presence. That's why knowing how to delete highlights on Instagram is crucial knowledge. While you may initially want your stories to be shown for more than 24 hours, you can always change your mind. The good news is that Instagram makes it easy to quickly delete highlights. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.